Hello, how are you today? Today we are going to start our English class. This is Miss Maria Gracia and hope you're doing very well. Okay, so please sit down on your chair and pay attention to the class. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to see is our English program for our second term. Okay, these are the topics that we are going to be working on. But today we are going to see only one topic. This topic is the school and the classroom. Okay, so today we are going to see vocabulary related to the school and the classroom. Okay, so you remember our beautiful school Sagrada Familia? So today we are going to see all of the objects that we can see in our Sagrada Familia school. For example, in our classroom, we have a door. The door, this is the door. We can open the door or close the door. In our classroom, we can see the board. The teacher always writes on the board. In our classroom, we also can see our school bag. The school bag. This is a pink school bag. In our classroom, we can see the chair. And also we can see a table. The table. Okay, so let's repeat all of this vocabulary with the teacher. We have door, board, school bag, chair, table. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to see another part of the materials or objects that we can see in our classroom. Okay, so we have a notebook. Sorry, we have a notebook. The notebook is on the table. We also write on the notebook. Okay, so these are some objects that we can see in our pencil case. This is the pencil case. Let's shake our pencil case. Okay. So the first object in our pencil case is the sharpener. The second is the eraser. We also have a ruler. We can see scissors, and a pencil. We also can have marker, and pen. Okay, sorry. We're going to try to repeat the vocabulary. So repeat after me. We have pencil case. We have eraser. We have pencil, sharpener, sharpener, pen, marker, scissors, and ruler. Okay, so now we are going to do the activity. Okay, the activity for today is that we are going to look for our English book, the student's book. Okay, so go to your room and look for your student's book. In our student's books, we are going to work on page 28. This is the page 28. And we are going to do the activity with teacher's help. Okay? So please go to your room and look for your English book. Okay, so I came back. Welcome back. So this is our English book, and we are going to go to page number 28. In the book, we are going to listen to an audio. In this audio, we are going to see what are the objects that the boy or the girl is talking about. And we are going to color these objects. Okay?
Unit 3. At school. Boarding pass. This is my classroom. Page 28, Exercise 1. Listen to Jim and color the classroom objects he mentions.
These are books.
Okay, so the audio says these are books. So look for the books and color books. Color the books.
These are backpacks.
These are backpacks. So look for the backpacks in the picture and color the backpacks.
These are chairs.
These are chairs. Color the chairs.
This is a digital board.
This is a digital board. Remember, board, color the board.
This is a door.
This is a door. Color the door.
These are colored pencils.
These are colored pencils. Color the colored pencils.
These are scissors.
These are scissors. Look for the scissors and color the scissors.
Is a basket.
This is a basket. Look for the basket. Okay, so the basket was not in the vocabulary. Okay, so don't color the basket.
This is a table.
This is a table. Look for the table and color the table. Okay, so that is all. For the second part of our English book, we are going to go to a sticker page. Okay? Do you remember the sticker page at the end of the book? Al final del libro vamos a encontrar las páginas de los stickers. En esas páginas vamos a paste the stickers here. Okay? So paste the stickers in the book, look for them, and then paste it in each part, in each of these. Okay, so for example, it says it is a pencil, so you have to paste the pencil. It is a sharpener, you have to paste the sharpener. All of the stickers on the last part of the book. En la última parte del libro lo encuentras. ¿Ok? Y lo pegas en cada uno de los lobitos. Okay, so thank you very much. This is all for today.